Piyush Mishra is on the ground. Piyush, so now the ceremony is on, the religious ceremony, after which he's likely to taking a dip in the Ganga.
Pooja, it's going to be at least 15 to 20 minutes of ceremony, which Prime Minister will be. And Prime Minister right now is now offering prayers. We can see as to how he's also showering the flower petals. He's offering flower petals to Ma Ganga. So that is also a part of the puja offering ceremony. And we are also seeing how there is a group of 5 priests which is assisting Prime Minister, and security arrangements have also been put in place. So pictures somewhere tell us the kind of preparations those have also been made by the administration, and Prime Minister is now taking part and he's in fact offering prayers there at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. In the last 10 years, Prime Minister has focused not only on cleanliness but also the development of Kashi, and that is what the people are telling us, that there is a Kaya Kalp of Banaras. Earlier, there was a lot of filth, there was a lot of dirt, the ghats were not properly managed, but now not only the ghats have been managed, but the narrow lanes of Kashi have also been developed, the roads have been constructed, the infrastructure has been built to a mass level that people from international level come here and they praise the kind of development which has taken place in Kashi in the last 10 years. And the people are very much happy about the fact that they are not only going to elect their member of parliament but also the Prime Minister of this nation. In 2014, when Prime Minister had contested from Banaras for the first time, he had bagged more than 3 lakh votes. In 2019, he had won with a margin of 4 lakh votes, and this time BJP has set the target of 10 lakh votes to Prime Minister, and that can happen only if the voting percentage crosses 80%, because people feel that out of 80% votes, the BJP in fact feels that out of 80% vote which is going to be cast, if that happens, 90% of that the entire casting will go to Prime Minister. So BJP is feeling that Prime Minister will be winning with a huge margin, and that is why we saw the grand road show also was organized by the BJP, in which Prime Minister led that road show. He was seeking support for himself. So far we have seen Prime Minister going to different parts of the country seeking support for BJP candidates, but today Prime Minister is not only going to file his nomination but also will take part in the meeting of NDA leaders. Let me straight away also try to show you pictures. He is now doing Aarti of Ma Ganga. So these are the pictures of Prime Minister performing Aarti after offering puja. Now Prime Minister is performing Aarti of Ma Ganga, and there are Vedic mantras that are also being chanted by a group of priests along with PM Narendra Modi, and the puja offering ceremony is right now underway. After offering puja and offering flower petals to Ma Ganga, now Prime Minister is now doing Aarti of Ma Ganga, and after doing Aarti we can expect Prime Minister to go towards the Kal Bhairav temple, and Kal Bhairav is also one of the prominent places. Why? Because before doing any auspicious thing, people of Varanasi take blessings and permission of Kal Bhairav, Lord Kal Bhairav, and that is what Prime Minister is also going to follow. After offering prayers there at Kal Bhairav temple, Prime Minister will be moving towards the collectorate office, and at around 11:40 a.m.
Yes.
Prime Minister will be filing his nomination. And
Piyush, tell us about the mood around you as we stay with these visuals of Prime Minister Modi as the religious ceremony is on. These are the prayers that are done toward Ganga Ma, and as he says, Ganga Ma ne adopt kiya hai mujhe all these years, referring to the 10 years that he's been an MP, and that is one of the reasons he's ensured before he files the nomination papers that he comes here at the Ghat and offers these prayers. What is the mood around you? There must be a lot of devotees, visitors who are at the Ghat. All of them, have they stopped and ensured that they're watching as Prime Minister Modi is there at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, Piyush?
Well, thousands of them have congregated here. Pooja, let me straight away try to show you the visuals. You see how all of them are holding mobile phones in their hand. They want to just catch one glimpse of their beloved leader, Narendra Modi, and that is why you see as to how they also want to cross the barricades those have been put up here by the administration. So we can see how thousands of people have congregated here at Dashashwamedh Ghat to catch one glimpse of Narendra Modi, but the security personnel have made arrangements. I would ask my video journalist to show more visuals. You see how NDRF personnel have now created a barricade here at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, and people who want to move beyond this point have also been stopped here using these barricades. So you can see as to how Har Har Mahadev chants are also being chanted by the people of Kashi, people of Varanasi, who have come here to catch one glimpse of the leader Narendra Modi as PM Narendra Modi is offering prayers and doing Aarti of Ma Ganga. We are now seeing Har Har Mahadev chants here at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. So this shows the kind of holy environment is there as Prime Minister is moving towards the Kal Bhairav temple. After offering prayers, he will go to Kal Bhairav temple and then to file his nomination. So Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, and Jai Shri Ram slogans are being chanted here by the people of Varanasi. So this shows the kind of support which Prime Minister enjoys here in Varanasi, in Kashi, and people have come from different parts of Varanasi to take part in this huge ceremony where as Prime Minister is offering prayers, people are here to just catch one glimpse of PM Narendra Modi. So we are now seeing that the ceremony has now begun. Prime Minister is offering prayers at one side, PM is offering prayers on the other side. People want to
He's acknowledging the priests who have gathered, who are praying and, of course, chanting the Vedic mantras and offering prayers to the Ganga River, to Ma Ganga. Listen to the cheers, to the support coming in for Prime Minister Modi in Banaras. He's acknowledging the support of the people who have gathered. Definitely a significant emotional moment for the Prime Minister, remember, to choose Banaras, the world's oldest living city, as his Karma Bhumi, as a member of parliament. He could have chosen any city, specifically in Gujarat, which is his home turf, but he chose Banaras for a reason. Transformed it, gave it the focus that is deserving of the world's oldest living city, and then also brought in the transformation, the cleanliness that Banaras deserved. You're looking at the high security, of course, that has been deployed for Prime Minister Modi there. Prayers have concluded, it appears. And hundreds of people who've gathered there on the ground, cheering in support as he does his namaste and acknowledges the presence of the priests. Prime Minister Modi offering the prayers to Ma Ganga at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. It's a red carpet that has been rolled out to the Prime Minister. The protocol and procedures. Priests from diverse backgrounds across the states who have gathered, who are in Banaras. Remember, for the Hindu devotees, for those following the Hindu faith, to be in Banaras, to offer prayers to Ma Ganga on Ganga Saptami, and before beginning such a huge initiative that is now to file nomination papers for the third time, he may be hopeful of a victory. But previously the victory has been 3 lakh votes, the margin. 4 lakh votes as a margin. What would be the expectation of a margin this time? He's up against Congress leader Ajay Rai. And if he wins, it wouldn't be just about the victory this time. It will be as much for how much Prime Minister Modi's name has garnered as a historic margin. For now, beginning on an auspicious note, taking in the blessings and prayers, and then heading to the Kal Bhairav temple.